First, prepare your clips on the wheel. Pre-compose all your layers. Now select your first layer and add Twixtor Pro. Uncheck this option. Then set the FPS exactly the same as your clip. In my case, it's 60. So I'll enter 60 in the input frame rate. Now follow these settings. Press U to reveal keyframes. Select them, press F9. Then open the graph editor. Hold shift and drag one handle to the right and the other to the left for a smooth curve. Copy the Twixtor effect and paste it onto all other layers. Make sure the keyframes match the full duration of each clip. For the zoom effect, add an adjustment layer and apply S_Blurmo curves. Add a keyframe at the start, then go to the end of the clip and set the value to 0.55. Select the keyframes, press F9 and adjust the graph the same way. Now duplicate the adjustment layer and add it to all clips.